Hello, this is our 5-axis CNC micro milling machine. Model 5X-100. This 5X-100, engineered for maximum precision and superior gold dust recovery. Its compact, fully sealed machining chamber prevents gold dust from escaping or settling into mechanical and electronic components. This intelligent, patented design ensures clean operation and enables almost 100% recovery of gold dust, minimizing material loss and improving profitability. If you are interested to know further more details about our 5X-100, please contact us on our given below number or email. Thank you for watching.